If you want Microsoft Edge to use Google by default, and you want your browsing experience to feel more familiar and easier to search, this tutorial is for you. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to set Google as your homepage and your default search engine in Edge step by step, in a way that's quick, simple, and beginner friendly. And if this helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. This is where Edge keeps most of its important settings. From the menu that appears, click Settings. That will take you to the main Edge settings page. On the left side of the settings screen, click Privacy, Search, and Services. This section controls a lot of the browser's behavior, including search and startup preferences. Next, look for Search and Connected Experiences and click it. If you do not see it right away, scroll a little until you find it. After that, scroll all the way down to the bottom and click Address Bar and Search. This is the section where you can change the search engine that Edge uses when you type in the address bar. Now find the option that says Search Engine Used in the Address Bar. Click the drop-down menu and change it to Google. Once you select Google, Edge will begin using Google whenever you search from the address bar. This is the most important step if you want Google to be your default search engine in Edge. Right below that, look for the setting called Search on New Tabs uses Search Box or Address Bar. Change that option to Address Bar. This helps make sure your searches are handled the way you want when you open a new tab. Depending on your version of Edge, the wording may look a little different, but the goal is the same. Make Edge use the address bar with Google for searches. Now, if you also want Google as your homepage, there are a couple of ways to do that in Edge. The easiest method is to set what opens when Edge starts. Go back to the main settings page, then click Start, Home, and New Tabs. Here you can choose what Edge shows when it opens. If you want a specific page to load, look for the option to open these pages and add Google's homepage. Type in google.com and save it. That way, whenever you open Edge, it can take you straight to Google. If your version of Edge shows a home button setting, you can also turn that on and set the homepage to Google there as well. This gives you quick access to Google from the browser's home button in the toolbar. If you prefer, you can set both the startup page and the home button to Google so everything feels consistent. Once you've made those changes, test it out. Open a new tab and type something into the address bar. You should see Google handling the search. Then restart Edge to confirm that your homepage or startup page opens the way you want. If everything works, you're all set. These small browser changes can make a big difference if you use Google every day. They save time, reduce confusion, and make Edge feel much more personal and useful for your workflow. If this video helped you, please give it a like and consider subscribing for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.